Turlock. Hope takes flight on Saturday, November 15th at Stanislaus County Fairgrounds. It's the annual Ball Drop for Hope, a one-of-a-kind community fundraiser supporting Faith Home Adult and Teen Challenge. Faith Home's mission? It's simple yet powerful, to put hope within the reach of every individual struggling with life-controlling problems. Through their 12 to 16-month residential recovery program, men and women here in Stanislaus County receive the support structure and the tools they need to rebuild their lives and restore their families. The results speak for themselves. An incredible 70% of the participants who complete the program go on to lead healthy, productive lives. That's real, lasting change happening right here at home. Here's what you can do to help. On event day, Sheriff Dirkse and the Stanislaus County Air Support Unit will release hundreds of numbered golf balls from a helicopter. As they fall, every ball will race towards the target, and the one that lands closest wins a grand prize, a 2-hour helicopter ride for two. But that's not all. 15 additional winners receive prizes like $1,000 in groceries, $500 in dining, $250 gift cards, and more. Balls are just $25 each, available now by check or credit card at Faith Home Adult and Teen Challenge, or the Ball Drop for Hope booth at the Turlock Farmers Market, October 1st through November 8th. Or if you come purchase your ball at Price Ford of Turlock, we'll match it. Just come visit our showroom floor, make your donation, and we'll match the first 200 tickets. Each ball has a unique number, and every ball has a chance to win. You don't need to be present to claim your prize. Winners will be notified by phone, email, and published in the Turlock Journal on November 22nd. This is an incredible event, and it's made possible by community partners like you who believe in hope. Price Ford of Turlock is proud to stand behind this cause, and we encourage everyone in our community to join us in helping put hope within the reach for our local families. So mark your calendars, Saturday, November 15th at Stanislaus County Fairgrounds. Don't miss the chance to watch hope take flight and be a part of restoring lives right here at home.